apply 2 pea-sized dabs of crème corps révélatrice fermeté on the left thigh and massage the product into the skin. Each movement starts at the knee and is repeated 3 times. First, massage the skin using a smoothing upward motion. Massage the back of the leg from the buttock down to behind the knee. Next, perform pinching circular movements by placing your hands on each side of the knee and moving to the top of the thigh. Massage the back of the leg, moving down towards the knee using light, smoothing motions. Finish applying the cream by repeating the upward smoothing motions. Now, set the device to red LED light. Press the Mode button once and the Select button once. Next, set the intensity of the microcurrents to level 5. Press the Mode button once and the Select button 5 times. If discomfort occurs, intensity can be reduced. Before using the techniques with My C.L.E and to guarantee an optimal experience, make sure to always keep the device a hand's width away from the sensitive area along the inside of the thigh. Hold the upper part of the device to make it easier to complete the massage. Divide the thigh into 3 areas, one along the inside of the thigh, a second along the middle, and a third along the outside of the thigh, which includes the fold where the thigh meets the buttock. Each movement starts at the knee and is repeated 3 times. Massage the skin using a smoothing upward motion while applying a firm pressure. Then, hold the skin in a lifting position for 3 seconds. Next, move back down the line using a light smoothing motion. When the 3 areas are done, come back to the inside of the thigh and use pinching circular movements. Keep the other hand close to the device to help hold the skin and perform the movement. Finally, repeat on each area the smoothing upward motion followed by a static lifting position for 3 seconds. Repeat the application techniques with the cream as well as the entire set of movements on the right thigh.